last thing I was going to show you was go back to project, and that was the difference between a double-sided, and which something that we didn't have in the Frogstone, but under the Rob Gear project, which I have used a stone ledge, and you can see the number of pieces that are involved in. This is an ashlar pattern, double-sided units with caps, corner units. This particular project, if I double click on it, it will open up, and you'll see that I have a pillar, double-sided, pillar, double-sided, pillar, stairs, pillar, double-sided. This is a typical wall that would be done, and you have a drawing that I did and the print off of that I just showed you just for sample purposes, and that is the gear project. And with the NCMA, what we're doing with this is sort of a overall project that we are creating for an advanced course on estimating and project managing. And so that's why I put it into place, and you'll see that there are some details on a double-sided raised patio and the different wall details, pillars, and so here you can see this is a pillar that is it's a larger pillar than this pillar. This is a 16 by 16 pillar. This is a 24 by 24, I believe, or 22 by 22. There's 16 by 16, 22 by 22, 28 by 28 pillars for this particular project. This particular project also has been managed, and there's a freestanding wall, there's a front step, east wall, there's a west side wall, and they are all open, different in their concept. And there you can see the pillar and all the way through the process of how we raised and changed the panels and elevations and double-sided walls and or terraced walls. And this is the front part of the project, and this will indicate your pillar, your stairs, pillar, your 90-degree stairs going up a different direction, and then the walls that carry through with the front steps and your final circular planter in the front of the house. So it sort of gives you a sense of how you can play with this program and create some really nice cross sections, and just give you a sense of the volumes that are required for building and bidding. That is basically the summary of this whole this calculator. We are going through the process of still editing some of these things, and if you pound through this and see any kind of errors, please let us know. But we feel that it's an unbelievably useful tool for contractors, engineers, homeowners can use it. We have I think probably about 2 or 3 downloads every week from people using the program, and it helps them with their bidding process and calculations of volumes. That is the extent of my presentation on this calculator. One other thing that we're also developed, and we should be sending it out maybe in the next 2 weeks, is we have an engineering program that we have developed for CornerStone products, which engineers can have, and we will send that out to you guys, and probably in the next couple of weeks we will make an announcement and do an e-blast on that. We also have the same calculator that you see here for walls. We have created a generic paver calculator as well that we may be sending out to people if they want to load some of their product lines into it. So it's something that we're trying to do just to help those end users, the contractors and the homeowners, to be quicker with their and more accurate with their estimates. Thank you so much for taking the time to out of your busy schedule to view this. And if you guys have any questions, please email or call, and we will we'll try to help you through this process and make this a useful tool for you guys. Thanks very much.